Most people get this wrong when comparing MoneyLion and Chime. They assume both apps are basically the same because they offer banking features and early access to money. But in reality, they serve very different purposes. Here's the truth no one tells you. Choosing the wrong one can leave you paying for features you never use while missing out on the features you actually need. In this video, you'll learn exactly how MoneyLion and Chime compare in 2026, including banking features, cash advances, credit building tools, fees, and which app may be the better choice for your financial goals. Let's get straight to the answer. If you're looking for a simple online banking experience, Chime is often viewed as a banking-focused platform, with features like direct deposit, spending accounts, and credit building options. MoneyLion, on the other hand, aims to be more than a banking app. It combines banking services with cash advances, investing tools, financial management features, and additional financial products. For example, imagine John wants a straightforward account to receive his paycheck, pay bills, and manage everyday spending. Chime may be a strong fit for him. Now let's look at Alex. Alex wants banking features, but he also wants access to cash advances, investing tools, and additional financial resources in one app. But that's where MoneyLion may have an advantage. But here's the problem. Many people compare only one feature and ignore the overall experience. A cash advance feature might sound attractive today, but if you use the app every week, the broader set of tools often matters much more. This is where most people fail. They choose an app based on a single headline feature rather than their actual financial habits. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Both platforms offer ways to help users manage money more efficiently, but the user experience is different. Chime generally focuses on simplifying banking and spending. MoneyLion focuses on building a larger financial ecosystem around the user. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide between them. First, let's talk about credit building features. Both platforms have offered tools designed to help users establish or improve their credit profiles. However, eligibility, account requirements, and feature availability can change over time, so it's important to review current terms before signing up. Another important consideration is simplicity. If you prefer fewer features and a cleaner banking-focused experience, Chime may feel easier to navigate. If you prefer having multiple financial services available in one place, MoneyLion may provide more flexibility. Now, here's the easiest decision framework. Choose Chime if your primary goal is everyday banking and money management. Choose MoneyLion if you want a broader collection of financial tools alongside banking features. The bottom line is simple. Chime is often better for users seeking a streamlined banking experience, while MoneyLion may appeal to users who want additional financial services under one roof. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial app reviews and comparisons, and let me know in the comments which app you're considering and what feature matters most to you.